Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters: SSS ID, your My SSS username, password, and a working email and mobile number. Log into My SSS immediately. If you cannot, use the forgot password flow to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to the member profile section. This is where marital status lives, so make sure you are using a secure network and a supported browser, because interrupted sessions can block updates and force repeats of form entries. You now edit the marital status field. Go to Profile, then Personal Information, and select Edit for marital status. Choose the exact status that matches your legal documents. Accuracy prevents delays. Upload the required supporting document, PSA marriage certificate or court decree, following file size and format limits. Once done, add a short note if the change is non-standard, and click Save or Submit. The system validates the file type, so double-check before submission to avoid a rejected update. You finish by submitting your update and immediately noting the transaction reference or confirmation email for tracking. Make sure to monitor your email and your My SSS inbox, because SSS will verify documents and may request additional information. Processing can take several business days. If your update is rejected, don't panic. Check document clarity and that the chosen status matches the legal proof. Then resubmit with improved scans and a brief explanatory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.